I was to start right now and I saw myself 10 years earlier and I said, hey, look, the most important thing you're going to do is you're going to build the people around you. The team that's going to be with you is going to guide you, because now if each person in that team has like 10 to 15 years worth of experience, you can now take all of that experience and hack it. You can expedite the process by having to use their experience and grow your wealth even faster. So property managers are important. I've heard people literally say, I want to have that property near me so I can manage it myself, and that way I can fix things if they go broken. I don't want to pay the 5%, I don't want to pay the 7% to a property manager, I can do it myself. Cool. What happens when you need to find a tenant? What happens if something goes wrong in the middle of the night? Who are they going to call? They're going to call you. And if you've got now 3 properties like that, can you manage? Well, you have a full-time job, and now you've got to manage this. And then on top of that, you've got other commitments, family, social life, and now you've got to 5 properties. Can you manage it? Well, no, something's going to break. And so you've given a poor experience to your tenants. They don't want to tenant your property. They're going to trash your property. It's not maintained well. And you definitely don't want to do something illegal